Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be installing the radiator support with the tram gauge, showing you how to square it up. Alright, here we go. First of all, I already installed the radiator. Reason being, it's real hard to install it with the fan and the shroud. So I installed it already. Regarding the radiator support and this portion, I did sand where all the spot welds are going to go. You do need to sand it down so that it can get a real perfect weld. It's sanded on both sides and also on the radiator support right there. That's the first thing you need to do. I did align it, clamped it up so that I can know where the sanding was going to be. So let's install it and start welding. Okay, I installed it. I clamped down this side only, right where the very edge of this support needs to be. So I know this side is perfectly non-damaged. That's the side that I welded it. So we're gonna use the tram gauge to square up the body. In order for you to use the tram gauge, I'm gonna square up. I know that this side is perfectly fine. So I'm gonna start squaring up this side. I wanna see how, let's see. I'm gonna find myself a point on this radiator support and lock it up. I'm gonna measure it. 5 foot right there. So this side over here needs to align exactly the same, right? The same spot and on the same square, and it's not aligning. So what I need to do, I need to push this side a little bit more to this side so that I can clamp it and it'll be squared up. All right, I already pushed it and I clamped it down over there. Let's see if it gives me the same measurement, which it does not give me the same measurement. Why? Because I pushed it. So let's get the new measurement right there. There you go. Come to this side and there it is. Perfectly squared up. Now what I'm gonna check also is how far it is. I'm gonna get a point right there where the cowl is and this one right there. Let's see. All right, let's check this one. Should give me the exact same measurement, which it does. Gives me the exact same measurement. So I know if I check it from that point, let's say from that point to this point, it should be exactly the same and it'll tell me that it's squared up. There it is. It's exactly the same. So it's perfectly squared. Now I can start welding. All right, we're gonna be using a spot welder to weld this piece. All you do, clamp it. That's the reason that I sanded it down. There it is. It is completely welded, squished together. I'm gonna have to start doing every single one of them where I sanded it. There you go, guys. All the spot welds, nice, sturdy, looking good. Now paint it. I'm gonna paint it with the POR 15 on both sides, and it should be good to go. Before we continue with this video, I want to say that this video is sponsored by Turbo 6 Restoration. What is Turbo 6 Restoration, guys? They have all the hardware that you're gonna need for your restoration project right there. I got all the bolts that this truck needs for the front end. For the fenders, I use these, and all the inside, all the interior is going to be changed. All the bolts that are holding everything inside, I'm going to be changing them to brand new ones. They all are kind of rusted, and it's about time to change them. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Again, Turbo 6 Restoration. I'm going to leave everything in the description below. And also, guys, there is a promo code. Use the word FARRAWAY to get 20% off your hardware. What more can you ask? All the information is in the description below. Go ahead, hit them up, tell them FARRAWAY sent you guys. Again, I'm going to be using all this hardware for my Nissan hardbody. Let's continue with the video. I already finished up the radiator support, and I did install the fenders right there. Brand new bolts all the way across, and all of this interior, as you can see right there, I'm just gonna start adding brand new bolts, guys. I'm gonna remove every single little one that I can reach and put brand new ones, because it looks a lot better. Looks a lot better. This one right here, I didn't add it because whoever did the previous hack job, they ruined it. So there's no, it's a hole. So there you go. But all in all, it is looking good. Let me close the hood so you can see how the gaps are. There you go. Gaps are perfect. The fitment is perfect. I do have a little bit of a difference on the gap here, but I know it's the fender. It's perfectly aligned, but what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shave it off a little bit. Doesn't need that much, but I'm gonna do that after I remove the doors. But all in all, looks good, guys. Looks real good. It's coming along. I still need to get all the front end so that I can start putting everything back. I am going to remove everything to paint. Fenders are going to stay. Hood is going to stay. And doors. Everything's going to have to stay, but I am going to paint the inside first. Alright. The hood, I was going to exchange. I was going to put a brand new hood, but it's not that bad. I thought it was going to be worse. It does have body work like in a couple of places, which is no biggie. I'd rather just fix this, the original one, and go from there. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be stripping it down to bare metal. I don't know if you can see it. There's surface rust, but it's coming from the e-coating that this hood has. So I need to remove everything before I can continue applying the epoxy primer.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Faraway spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paid my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paid my own.
You saw me stripping down the paint, the original paint from this hood, and we're gonna be doing that to the entire hood. But right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start putting those bolts from Turbo 6 Restoration. Let's go. I'm gonna start by removing all these old bolts, start putting some new ones. I'm gonna do that to the entire engine bay. There's a lot of them that I can remove and install brand new ones. Here we go. I placed all new bolts, whichever ones I could reach. So it looks good. I'm gonna use these bolts also in the inside of the cab. The inside of the cab is gonna get brand new bolts. This, I'm gonna pressure wash it. I'm gonna clean it up and paint it also. But there it is, guys. Turbo 6 restoration. If you need all brand new hardware for your project, hit them up. Use promo code PHARRAWAY. It'll help you out. All right, I already sanded the entire hood to bare metal. Right now it's raining and there's a lot of moisture in the air, so I'm just gonna cover it up. I'm not gonna put the epoxy primer that I'm gonna be applying, but there it is. So there is a couple of little minor dents that the hood has, which are gonna get fixed. So yeah, that's basically it, but that will be in the next video, guys. This will be it for this video. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next coming weekend, guys, for the continuation of this lowrider build. Like I mentioned, I am showing you from start to finish every single little. I know that it's more repetition right now as to the painting protection, but there's more to come, guys. So I want you to know everything that's gonna be done to this lowrider truck. So that's the reason I'm showing you everything. This will be it. All right, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. Also hit that thumbs up. It helps a lot, guys. It is free, and that's all you gotta do, guys. Just hit that thumbs up. It helps a lot, trust me. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. All right, thank you. Like always, stay safe and God bless.